Well, welcome to Beans, Brews and Bread for December. Oh, it's chilly. We've had going down to -8 maybe last couple of days overnight, and some days not even breaking past -4 even after the sun's gone up. Do we see what damage there is to the allotment? Let's go and have a look. Well, as you can see here, we've got a couple of beds of the green manure. We've not actually fared that badly. A lot of it's germinated. As you can see, some of this stuff is poking through the frosted ground, and I'm assuming that this is the green manure and not just simply weeds. I mean, there are a few weeds obviously buried in between here, like for example here, got a bit of a dandelion or something, but these things definitely green manure. Big grasses maybe. We'll see how this goes. This was the late summer mix. We'll see how that fares. The ground is absolutely rock solid, look. There's nothing giving at all. So I'm quite surprised the green manure survived. And over on this side we sowed some as well. This was the autumn winter mix. It's kind of like a sort of a brassica type. I can just tell from the leaves. So we'll hopefully, yeah, there's loads of germination over here. It's looking quite nice. Hopefully not killed off by the frost. And we'll see how that fares. That was the autumn winter mix. Looking like it's germinated. Don't know how we'll go, but we'll see. Well, I'm having a little break in the shed from the tour this month. I'd just like to give a quick shout out to Ali at My Rusty Garden. I'll share a link to her channel down in the comments below, but she's the best commenter on all the videos, and it's so great to see when she posts a comment and hear what she's getting up to in her garden, which is over in Canada. So if you've not subscribed to her channel, then go and check it out. Go and press the subscribe link for hers down below. Cheers. I've got the chard here, just about. I think we might get some growth out of these if we get a warmer snap. And the rest of this bed was kind of pretty much mulched over with compost and left. So we'll see how that fares. Frosty ground. Got the parsnips here. Hopefully we've got just a couple. That one doesn't look too bad there. This one. Let's see how this one looks. Might have a decent 1 or 2, maybe half a dozen if we're lucky. The beetroot's pretty much given up the ghost over here. These were only very small. Didn't thin these really. As you can see, yeah, these have, yeah, that's all. That was the frost has done for those. The brassica patch. We'll have a look at that. If you'd like to help support the channel, you can always go and join on the Patreon page. I'd be grateful if you'd subscribe and choose one of the tiers, but if you don't, I think you can choose to become a free member, and you'll still get notified of the every time we post a new video up in advance of YouTube, and you can watch it without adverts if you choose to support the channel that way. Or if you just be a free member, you'll get the monthly newsletter, which I'll send out on the 1st of every month. Give me some, hints, tips, and a few planting ideas and a couple of recipes and things. So you can always join free on Patreon that way and get the newsletter. Now, forgiving the weeds for a bit, in the brassica patch we've got I think that's a Kalette plant here. But the Cavolo Nero could just about get a few crops off that. I don't know what they are. They're definitely not Brussels sprouts. They're going all tall and leggy. No idea. And there's a few more plants down the other end. So certainly these two here. Maybe that one down there as well. Get a few off that. Bit of cabbage. I think this Kalette plant here got a massive load of. These are definitely Kalettes. So I think if we give this a tidy up, you can see here, look, these are all Kalettes. These, look. These, look. Focus. There. They're great. I'm going to have a harvest of these, I think, today. I'll give these a... Yeah, look. Kalette plants. Great. So, nice autumn, well, winter now. Nice winter harvest, unexpected, but I'll take those. How about that for a surprise harvest? Would not have, wouldn't have factored on getting any Kalettes because the way that the plants grew, they were tiny little things, but they've lasted all year. And there's the result. Quite impressed. You wouldn't have thought that you'd get that quality of Kalette based on the plants when they started, but really chuffed that managed to get quite a nice little harvest at the end of the year. So, any thoughts or suggestions on how to cook Kalettes, greatly received in the comments below. I've got the garlic bed, which is pretty much frozen solid. This is where we put the elephant garlic in. Nothing's come up as yet, I can see. There's a few that have, like that one there's pushed out. Hopefully we'll get the ground thawed and push them back in again, but not a lot have pushed themselves out or been picked out by the birds, so fingers crossed the garlic will do a bit better this year in a spot where we've not had garlic before. A few weeds to still hand weed out. A very, very weedy bed. It was very difficult to get anything in, but now we've got some of it cleared. A lot easier to see the difference between the weeds and the garlic, hopefully. Fingers crossed. If you've enjoyed the video today, I'd be grateful if you'd give the video a thumbs up. If you're not subscribed, then press the flashy subscribe button below, and don't forget to press the bell icon so you can be notified of the next time I've got the video out. Okay, we'll see you later. Cheers. Bye.